would say notes that he's not someone that is a threat to the community. Additionally, he's lived in Lansing for around 8 years, that he's stated to me. He has reliable transportation to court. So, I would say that he's not a flight risk either. So with that, I would just be requesting a PR bond.
All right, thank you. All right, and you do have a case pending that was in the circuit court that just got bound over to the circuit court. That's still that was just 2 days ago, August 19th. Does he have a hold?
No.
Okay. Does he have a hold, officer?
No.
Okay. All right. Thank you. So, Mr. Johnson, the court's going to look at two factors. Are you a flight risk? Are you a danger to the public? The court looks at your criminal history, your ties to the community, your employment status. We'll also look at the allegations and both bond recommendations from Mr. Hardy and another from the Ingham County Prosecutor's Office. The other part of this is because you're already out on bond, for MCL 765.6A, I cannot grant you a PR bond on this matter. You do have some prior felony convictions. Home invasion, 2nd degree in 2016 in Shiawassee County.
Right.
That's 2 counts of home invasion, 2nd in Shiawassee County.
What's going on? That's so
And felony breaking and entering a building with intent, also in 2016. In April of 2016, in the 30th Circuit Court in Ingham County, you have a felony home invasion 1st degree conviction, as well as a larceny of a firearm felony conviction in 2016. And in 2024, recently, an attempt misdemeanor police officer assault, resist, obstruct, pled guilty to that. And then, of course, you've got the felony charges that have been bound over to the circuit court. I do definitely find that a PR bond is not appropriate, not only because of your criminal history, but because of the 765.6A statute that doesn't allow a PR bond. The court looks at the bond recommendation from both. The prosecutor is requesting a $15,000 cash surety bond and asking for a GPS tether with an exclusion zone. I do find that a cash surety bond is sufficient. It is a $5,000 cash surety bond with conditions. Again, that's done to ensure your appearance as well as public safety. So Mr. Johnson, these are the conditions of your release, sir. Do not miss any court dates. Do not violate any state or local laws while you're on bond. No possession, purchase, or consumption of any alcohol or controlled substances without a prescription. No out-of-state travel without permission from the court. No firearms, ammunition, or dangerous weapons. And you are to report, I'm sorry, that's not, that's a felony. No firearms, ammunition, or dangerous weapons, and no assaultive behavior or any contact with Saeed Zaini. That means you cannot call, write, page, email, text, no electronic communications of any kind. You can't have anybody else contact them on your behalf, and no threatening, harassing, or molesting behavior towards them or anyone else. And to ensure the safety and that you do not go to 1914 East Michigan Avenue, I am ordering a GPS tether with a 2,000-foot exclusion zones and victim notification if possible. You understand those conditions, sir?
Yes, ma'am. I actually have the tether on now.
Okay. All right. Anything else, Mr. Hardy?
No, Your Honor.
All right. You're all set, Mr. Johnson. All right, Lorenzo DeYoung, please.
Hello.
All right, good afternoon, sir. Do you have a middle name, Mr. DeYoung?
Bara, B-A-R-A.
Thank you. And Mr. Hardy, your appearance, please.
Assistant Public Defender Joseph Hardy on behalf of Mr. DeYoung.
All right, Mr. DeYoung, this is a file number 11-04344SM. Sir, this is a complaint in the people of the state of Michigan versus Lorenzo Bara DeYoung. It is alleged on or about July 11th, 2011 at 1100 Persons Court, City of Lansing, Ingham County, Michigan. Charge alleges that you did make an assault or an assault and battery upon Maria DeYoung, an individual with whom you had a child in common, or your spouse. Contrary to law, that is a misdemeanor. Maximum penalty, sir, is up to 93 days in jail and or a $500 fine. Do you understand the charge and the maximum penalty, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And did you get an advice of rights today from the detention officer?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. And were you able to read that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. And did you understand those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Then is he applying for an attorney, Mr. Hardy?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So with that, Mr. Young, we're going to enter a not guilty plea, and we have a pretrial date set for you. That is Tuesday, September 9th, 10:30 a.m. with Judge Flores. You are allowed to appear by Zoom or in person. If you do not have access to Zoom, you have to appear in person. His courtroom is on the 6th floor of City Hall. Do you have the notice and the Zoom instructions, sir?
Yes, I do, ma'am. It's right here.
Okay, good. Hang on to that. Now, is there anything I've told you that you do not understand?
No.
Okay.